Hello there, hope you're all doing all right. So another thing's broke on the Aquarius Pro Valet Upholstery shampooing carpet machine. Oh, 450, 500 pound machine. I'm going to show you what it is. Here we go. Look, can you see that? I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that big massive, look, big massive crack? Look, it's going somewhere up there. Yes, so that's another bit that's broke. Bit of a pain, isn't it? So yeah, another reason not to buy, well, another reason for me out of a few reasons not to buy, replace it like for like, as this is now broke. The lid is cracking, so that's breaking. Yeah, so I think it's time to start thinking about replacing this shampooer. There's one called is it Bisal, something like that. So it's a shampooing machine, well, sort of a shampooing machine. It's got a fishtail, a lot smaller than this, but it hasn't got the one I'm looking at is the Pro version. It hasn't got the the spray. So you literally, it's just literally to suck up the whatever cleaning product you put into the sea, whatever, you know, all-purpose cleaner, and it sucks it up, puts it in a container that you can empty. So that's probably what we'll be getting next, which they are priced, I think, £179, which is a lot cheaper than £475, which I think these are priced at the moment. Look, what a pain, isn't it? But I'm sure you, obviously you can, I'm sure you could replace that bit. I'll probably just put some tape around it for the time being, and then probably start thinking along the lines of buying another shampoo machine. There we go, bit of an update. So if you was thinking about buying one, yeah, it's another thing to watch out for, is that happening. And the lid, I mean, I know the lids, they used to be I think they're about 150 at one point to replace the lids, and I think I've seen them going as cheap as £75 now. I don't know if it's a genuine part or whether it's a pattern part. I don't know, but I won't be getting one because I'm going to replace the machine altogether. There we go. So yeah, I haven't sort of done any long uploads ish. I've been working like a madman trying to recover from December. Like loads of work had to get cancelled because of freezing weather conditions. So yeah, I'm on a mission to try and get ahead. So it's working every day again, doing as much as I can in the short hours that we have. Still getting a little bit of low temperatures now and again, but there you go, it is what it is. Anyway, I hope you're all having a good Sunday. Hope you have a good day, and I'll see you perhaps in the next upload. Ta-da for now.